How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So glad each and every one of you can make it. Thought I'd give you a quick update here as I recover from COVID on the Camaro situation. So stay tuned. Just as soon as I get out here, because like I said, I am not feeling good at all. And the reason for it is right there. Oh my God. I got to get out of here. I am sorry. I am not feeling good at all. My God, let's get out of here. Again, welcome back to the channel, everybody. So glad each and every one of you can make it. Oh man, it's been a rough couple of weeks, or a rough month. The wife and I both are trying to recover from COVID. But anyhow, here's an update on the Camaro. Those that don't know what happened, I was on the way home from work. The time had just changed, so it got dark at like 5:30 and I didn't get off till 6. On the way home, nice warm evening, had the window down. Heard something scurrying along the highway or road. It was like sounded like a rock skipping across the pavement. Next thing I know, kaboom! Yeah, yep, right there. I'll show you that. I'll show you that. Another ding right there. And then if you come around to the back of the car, I've tried looking it over best I can. You come back to the back of the car, there's a couple of marks. One right there, one right there, and one right there, and one right there. I don't know if it'll buff out. I'm assuming it will. Nothing, it's not going down to the paint or anything. It looks like it's just in the clear coat. You can see a little something right there. But anyhow, what happened was, at least one deer. I don't know how many, but at least one. I seen it. I heard it. It hit the side of the car, went up on the windshield, right? There was a big greasy spot right here. And I just seen it going over the top. I've looked over the top of the car. I can't find any marks, but there are marks back there, so I'm assuming that it went up, rolled, and came down the back and ended up kicking the back with its hoof or something. But since the deer went up that way, I'm thinking there was more than one. And the reason for that is, okay, that deer caused that and went up and over. Well, what caused this? And there's, I don't know if it's still here or not. It's probably, yeah, it's gone by now. But this whole side was splattered with blood. So I'm assuming there was at least two. And I've been trying to get it taken care of. I had it looked at by one place, and they couldn't come together with the insurance company over the rate charges, so I'm going to take it to one of their places and let them fix it. I just want it fixed, you know. And the company that they use, I've used before when the nose piece got hit. So they do good work. And here's the hoof print. It's still on here. Look at that. So the hoof print is still on there. So that's the update. I've been waiting on it to get in, but because of transportation issues for parts, because of backlog of parts, because of, here comes the ambulances. Never fails every time I do a video. But because of all that stuff, because of the holidays, because of all that, the quickest I can get it in for them to work on it is January 11th, which that's just this coming week, so it's not that far off now. So she's going to be in the shop. She's going to be getting fixed back to her former glory. And I just wanted to give you guys an update because I've been under the weather, like I said, with the COVID. I haven't been putting anything out. I know my health has just been crazy. I haven't felt like it. So here we go. That's what we're doing. She's going to the shop. Hopefully she's going to look like new again. That's all we can do, right? That's what we pay the insurance for. So until next time, thank you all so very much for watching.